Okay, what's up, guys? We see again for the New York session. London will be closed soon in next 25 minutes. We got some news about the escalation from the president at around 3 p.m. Central European time zone. So it's interesting. Oily as reaction to the upside. Dollar also. Indices. Crypto. Fear and greed index. There is less fear than 1 month ago, than last week ago, and yesterday extreme fear. Today it's less, so it's pushing to the upside a bit. Some info about oil inventories, and that's all. Nothing crucial from the Middle East. We need to wait for the President Trump speaks. We'll see how we react on oil, on growing price on oil, because oil grow very fast, to be honest. Negative for the dollar. And GBP was news. Yeah, 9 p.m. crucial hour, because I don't think so the president going to talk about macroeconomics. It's gonna be about Middle East. So I will monitor the markets around 9 p.m. for sure. Half hour, something like 30 minutes, 1 hour will be volatility. President likes to speech before market close or during the market break. Today we got it at 9 p.m. Till 9 p.m. it can be lagging a bit. Tomorrow unemployment claims, and Friday flash manufacturing PMI. It's low impact / medium impact. Let's go for the chart. Gold just skip the zone, so it's irrelevant now. That gold going up, very nice. From the bottom to the top, it's like 2000 pips now. Yeah, 2000 pips, $200 move on gold. EMAs are below, and we are about to hit the top of the consolidation. I believe we can break it to the upside. With daily break of structure. There is daily lower low, daily lower high, daily lower low, daily lower high, daily equal low, and maybe we're going to print daily higher high. Will be nice if we print that. That's gonna be double bottom, a W formation. Double bottom. And yeah, I hope we're going for the bigger pullback. Look at the weekly. Low, lower high, lower low, and we are about higher high. So gold is going nice. I just want to see that level. 4.5K, and maybe we can see it in next 1 or 2 weeks. Everything will play here on that resistance. If you break it to the upside, yeah, easy fly. If we reject, I believe we can go to the middle of the consolidation or to the bottom of the consolidation. And if we reject, that consolidation will be still active for the market. That structure will be still intact. Can I do any analysis on gold for now? No, I can't. Gold just skip our zone, so we need to wait for another pulling back to catch something. I'm still holding position from the bottom, from here, and we'll see. Any pullback, proper pullback, I mean to the fib level, will be signal to add more position. Let's check Bitcoin. Bitcoin is very close to the box, still active. If it's run like a gold, it is what it is. Target 1, target 2, and target 3. It's also about the weekly retracement, same as gold. Same as gold, but for the weekly break of structure we need to break out that high on 82K. And for daily we need to break up 66.3. I believe that assets need to need to pulse back. Gold is oversold. Bitcoin is also oversold, and fear, there is less fear than yesterday and last week, but still a lot of fear of the market. So maybe we go to the neutral with pulling back a bit. When we hit around 75, market can treat it as a grid, and then distribution go lower for the 50k. That's gonna be the best scenario. And 50k buys for the long term. It makes sense, that pullback. Then we're going to take out liquidity from early buyers here, swap it, and reverse for another bull run. And oil, do the break of structure on 1 hour here, 15-minute break of structure here, break of structure here, pulls back and chopping to the downside. I don't like much this price action. 1 hour break of structure here on the same candle as 15-minute. And to be honest, that oil is a bit tricky. I just want to see sales, but it's very tricky. Maybe we need to wait for the Trump speech and his decision, how he see the conflict in the future. Because as I say today, that conflict made a lot of value for president, because president with conflict can manipulate the market so easy. He can post anything he want to. There is also Strait of Hormuz, so manipulate the price of oil is very easy. And yeah, that conflict, no one needs that conflict. There is no point of fighting. Yeah, they talking about nuclear plan, nuclear bombs, but come on, man, come on. That people want to manipulate the market, and conflict is the easiest way to manipulate the market. Go down oil. So oil is active, potential downside. That price action is not looking super good. Will be nice if we just made an aggressive move to the downside, then rebalance and go lower again. If we just chopping like right now, I don't think so. It really reverse. Better to see aggressive move, rebalance and go. that the EMA is trying to cross. So that's the best point. Aggressive move, back to the EMAs, rebalance, and continuation. I'm still holding that oil, but yeah, be mindful of reverse to the upside, and it's something like dealing with president speech in next 3.5 hours, almost 4 hours, because it can be some fake outs, maybe to the upside, maybe to the downside. Hard to say now, but oil reach sell zone first crucial sell zone 61 to 78. So I just took the trade. We got 1 hour break of structure and 15 minutes break of structure. Every rules are confirmed, every confirmation are done, so we'll see how it goes. Oil tricked me a lot. I do the sells somewhere here, get out. I do sells somewhere here, get out. And now I take in sells here, and we'll see. I was 1 to 3 on that move, and it's back to my entry. I just want to see more downside to go break even. Look at that move. It can be clean break and retest. But where is the bottom? Here. From December 25. It's gonna be hard to reach. But I will be not wonder if we go for the range somewhere here. When conflict starts, uh, 28 February. Okay, so somewhere here. $67, $65. We tap that price before move up. So we have some picture when the conflict ends, we can deal with something around $70 to $65 on oil. It can be fair value price for oil. So if war ends, maybe we can deal with this range. somewhere $65-70. That's gonna be the flat price for oil if war ends. Yeah, President, please just find a new strategy for manipulate the market. Don't rush the conflict. Don't escalate it. Yeah, so war start here. We hit the same price when they said about peace, and now we can return to it if they make a peace deal again. That's why I'm looking for sells, and the price action looking like a clean break and retest. So we'll see. Let's check the dollar. Dollar from London session almost 1 to 2. It's still running the downside. Yeah, there is 1 to 4. Maybe bit safest on that liquidity. There is middle of the consolidation 1 to 5. So dollar from morning, it's still trying to sell off. Silver is running. S&P is running. Our bro S&P reach that full targets because you are annoying a bit. Euro. Euro, yeah, react on the trap candle once time, second time, but I'm still do nothing on Euro. Just waiting for the zone. GU, yeah, GU I want to see pullback for Zels. CHF stop loss from morning. It's interesting because dollar going down and Swiss franc going up, but it should depend on dollar, so Swiss franc is very strong. Oh, now it's weak. Sorry, it's weak. Yeah, Swiss franc is very weak. It's on the bottom. Euro strong, Canadian dollar strong. Yeah. Bitcoin is trying to fly. Maybe Bitcoin skip our zone. I don't like it. From here. That was Fibs, 61.78. But I was not a fan of it. I like Fibs like that. There is potential liquidity. Internal liquidity. Hit the zone. And go. Oh, oil is very slow. He's waiting for the president. Do that move. Come on. Hmm. 5 minutes not looking good, to be honest. It's looking like want to break out and fly again. We'll see. I'm holding it. We'll see. And Goldie, yeah, we can hit top of the consolidation, 200 maybe, after Trump's speech. If not, we're going for another Fibs from here. Or I don't like Fibs on gold now. Yeah, maybe, but it's still expanding. Just discard. If we're going down, I will draw the Fibs and the zones. For now, I don't like it. Let's watch that oil for the next 10 minutes. And we will be around the finish soon, because everything we want to we talk at morning. Yeah, nothing more to say about it. Let's hope oil just go down, Bitcoin go down more for the reverse, and gold expand more to the upside, then maybe some pullback. Trump speech 9 p.m. today. It can be very important for the market and conflict news. How he see the future of the conflict. Because oil price going up so hard, and oil inventories are lower than expect. So yeah, if they need to buy more oil, they need to buy it for the higher price. So maybe president going to think about it. We'll see. Let's watch it and for the few minutes, and that's gonna be it for myself. Can you see the seasonals chart? It's consolidating, slowly going down till end of the year at 2024 and 2025. So from the seasonal side, you see it's going down and chopping from July. So if we're looking at the seasonal chart, that analysis makes sense. Slowly return for the fair value price and ranging here till end of the year. It makes sense, but first they need to make a peace deal. Go. The best aggressive move, rebalance and go. Engulfing volume. There is no engulfing volume. There is engulfing volume, engulfing candle with break of structure. Another big volume candle, return for the volume and go down. We'll see. If we candle close above that 180 with daily, that's gonna be break of structure. But we need to make a daily candle close with a body. So daily needs to close above this level, above this previous high. It's gonna be super good. Can we close like that today? Yes, we can, because we are not that far away. It's just let's say 300 pips to close above. It's not that far away for gold. 300 pips is nothing, to be honest. Okay, she's falling. Nice. But we still need more aggressive move. It will be nice confirmation. More aggressive move, rebalance, and I will feel confident with holding it with break even. That's what I need for the break even. Aggressive move, rebalance, made new low, and I'm going break even. I'm sorry. Now I'm not going break even. When I go break even, I will let you know on Discord. I got that ideas from morning. Bitcoin to zones. Oil break of structure, it's going a bit higher. But then do the break of structure and falling down. And gold, I expect more downside before fly up, but it just go. So I will let you know when I go break even with oil. That's gonna be my signal for the break even. When we do move to the downside, pull back and another low, I'm going break even on oil. That's gonna be it from myself for today. At 9 p.m. we have President Trump speaks. Just monitor that hour because it's gonna be important. Maybe he share some news about conflict in the future, and we'll see. Okay, thank you for being here with me today. I hope you get some value, and we see again tomorrow. I will be active around 9 p.m. on Discord. Bye bye.